so today I will read the story bird. Wait, yes, did you like birds? Yes, bird can fly. Can you fly? No, you cannot fly. And answer is bird. This bird is flying. Wait, yes, can you fly up high? No. You are the people. You can walk. You cannot fly like this. You can walk. You can walk very fast. This bird is swimming. Wait, yes. Can you swim? Yes, you can swim on the water. Can you see the shark? You run away. Run away. This bird is drinking. Wait, yes. Can you like this? No. You like this? You like the dog. I am a dog. This bird is eating. Wait, yes. Can you eat? Yes, you can eat everything. You can eat the cow or the chicken or the pig. This bird is working. Wait, yes. Today it's cold today. Like this. It's cold, but not good. This bird is running. Wait, yes, it is an ostrich. You can run very fast. Like this. And can I very fast?
The ostrich have
The ostrich have long necks and long neck. This bird is sleeping. Wait, yes. Can you sleep? You can dream. Like this. Oh, wait, yes. Here you are. I'm sleeping. I forget of you. This bird is thinking. Wait, yes. This bird is saying, hello. It can say, copy you. I say, hello. And the bird say, hello. And answer is the end. Thank you for watching. Go listen to this story. I wonder you have a wonderful time. I'll see you soon. Take care. Goodbye for now.